everyone, this is Marie the Explorer, and today is my flight going to Santorini, Greece. We all know that this time is not easy to travel. We have a lot of things to prepare before our flight comes. You are required to carry your vaccination certificate to be allowed by the border authorities to enter the country, together with a filled up passenger locator form that you can find it online. It depends upon the country that you will enter. So it's boarding time. So we're just landed at Athens International Airport, and now I'm waiting for my connecting flight going to Santorini. Hey guys, I'm now in Santorini and I'm looking for my driver who will bring me to the hotel. It's so hot here, almost 30 degrees I think, and that's my driver. So hot. I'm just alone here guys, and it takes only 30 minutes to reach my hotel. I'm now at the front of the hotel New Haroula, which is located in Fira, the town center of Santorini. And this is the reception. Everybody is here. So let's check my room guys. This is at the upper part. My luggage is already here. This is number 114. I have my key. New Haroula. Let's open it. This is a standard room. Maybe good for 2 person, but I'm just alone. This is 20 square meter. That's my bed. There's a lamp over here. It's okay for me. Important thing is that I can sleep well. And I have my T-rays. Let's open it. And the view is the front. That's my neighbor. And you can notice that the color here is blue and white. Everything in Santorini is blue and white, mostly. This is the entrance. My view, a little bit sea view, extra chair. So this is enough for me. They have also a heater. This is my cabinet. And the toilet. The bowl is clean, and this is the sink with hand soap and extra shampoo and conditioner. This is the shower. They have a small shower and just with the curtain. So small. They have here a telephone and telephone. There's a cabinet that you can put your things, a fridge, a small fridge, and air condition. Let's try it if it's working. Yeah, it works. And television with hair dryer. Let's try it if it's okay. It's working. And 4 towels. And let's go down to check the swimming pool before I proceed to get a dinner, because it's already 7 o'clock here. So this is the swimming pool. It's nice. It's clean, but nobody's swimming. So guys, I will go out to get dinner. We have a nice entrance, school, and going to the town center is just 5 minutes walk away from this new Haroula hotel. So I'm now at the town center and looking for a restaurant. You can find here all the shops are open. Let's see what can I have for dinner. So guys, I'm going to eat dinner here in this restaurant. A Greco restaurant, and I ordered mixed seafoods for dinner. My first night here in Santorini. This is the view from the terrace. That's the busy street. Very nice. Those are hotels. And here is my food. Look at this, guys. Too much. Oh my my gosh, how can I eat this all? Now that I'm so full, guys, let's have a walk around in this shopping area. As you notice that even it's already 9 o'clock, the shops are still open and the city is alive. There are many people roaming around in this small shopping center. Ice cream! Oh my gosh, I'm so full tonight. And this area have open bars, restaurant. Oh, there's a fish pop. Let's have a look, guys. I tried this once in Tenerife and it feels good. It's tickling, but it's good. Wow, so relaxing. Nice one. So I will end this video and see you on my next vlog. Thank you.